Come test drive the 2017 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 mpg and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, LED headlights, navigation system, heated seats, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, fog lights, heated front seats, trip computer, security system, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, power windows, heated steering wheel, CD player, overhead console. Come see the car for yourself.